to help, so please ask about assistance if you have any. So once again, for fast track food, drinks and duty free, you can hold this.
Ryanair, low fares, made from.
Pushes out of the way.
Today is Alberto, assisting here by the senior first officer is William. My name is Jack, so I will be your cover supervisor with our fantastic team. We got Easy, Fatima and Ebony. We're going to take very good care of you. The flight time today is only 2 hours and 20 minutes, but before the departure, can I have your completely and undivided attention, please? It's not only for you, but for those around you. The cabin crew will point out some safety features aboard this Boeing 737-8200 series aircraft. Please remove all the headphones for this demonstration.
Of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panels above your heads. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. Fit your own mask first before helping anyone else. The life jackets are stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. If it's needed, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure as shown. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Before takeoff, please study the safety card located within the area you are seated, as it includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type. It is essential that cabin signs and instructions given by the crew are followed. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere on board. Your hand baggage must be securely stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you, and it must not block any aisle or exit. Now please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table folded, armrests down and window blinds open. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Portable electronic devices such as tablets and mobile phones in flight mode may be used throughout the flight. Please select flight mode now and hold your device securely or place it in a pocket. If your device or its battery is damaged, hot, produces smoke, is lost or falls into the seat structure, please inform the cabin crew immediately. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your cabin baggage for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, today you're traveling on the Boeing 737-8200 series aircraft with the 10 emergency exits, 2 to the front, 6 in the middle and 2 to the rear. In this type of aircraft, you can find your life jackets just in the pine above your head.
Hacia la salida más cercana. Las salidas de emergencia se encuentran localizadas a ambos lados del avión, en la parte delantera, sobre las alas y en la parte trasera de la cabina. Todas ellas se encuentran indicadas en la tarjeta de seguridad. Su salida más cercana puede que esté detrás suya. En caso de evacuación, deberá dejar a bordo del avión todas sus pertenencias. Para abrochar el cinturón de seguridad, inserte el extremo metálico en la hebilla y ajústelo tirando del final del mismo. Para desabrocharlo, levante la tapa del... En caso necesario, saque el chaleco de la bolsa e introduzca la cabeza por la apertura. Lleve la cinta alrededor de su cintura, abrochándolo en la parte delantera. Para inflar el chaleco, tire firmemente de la argolla roja. Hay un tubo para inflar o desinflar y una luz para llamar la atención. No infle su chaleco hasta que esté fuera del avión. Antes del despegue, por favor, estudie la tarjeta de seguridad localizada en su asiento, ya que incluye información de seguridad importante de este tipo de avión. Es esencial que siga las instrucciones de seguridad indicadas por la tripulación. Les recordamos que no está permitido fumar a bordo. Su equipaje de mano deberá estar adecuadamente colocado en los compartimentos superiores o debajo del asiento delantero sin bloquear el pasillo ni salidas. Por favor, asegúrense que sus cinturones están abrochados, sus mesas plegadas, reposabrazos bajados y persianas de las ventanillas abiertas. Por su seguridad, les recomendamos dejen sus cinturones abrochados durante el vuelo. Aparatos electrónicos como tablets y teléfonos móviles pueden ser usados en modo vuelo. Por favor, seleccionen el modo vuelo y mantengan su dispositivo controlado o guárdenlo en un bolsillo. Si alguno de sus dispositivos electrónicos o su batería sufriese algún tipo de daño, se calentase, desprendiera humo, lo perdiesen a bordo o cayese dentro de la estructura del asiento, deberán informar inmediatamente a la tripulación de la cabina. Dispositivos más grandes como ordenadores deberán ser apagados y guardados en su equipaje de mano durante el despegue y aterrizaje. Gracias por su atención, por favor siéntense, relájense y disfruten del vuelo.
Ladies and gentlemen, to comply with the safety regulation, we shortly will be dimming the cabin light for takeoff. This is a normal procedure when we fly out of the darkness. If you wish to carry on reading, you can find your read light just in the bottom above your head. If you press the call bell by mistake, please press it again to reset it. Thank you very much. Ryanair is a light welcome to Manchester, where is the local time is approach 25 past 2. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to your complete stop and the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign for you. Exercise extremely caution when you open your overhead lockers as item of your luggage may be dislodged, fall out, or cause injury. Laptop computers remain switched off and storage. You may now use your mobile device. For those who smoke, please refrain to do so until you reach the designated smoking area outside of the terminal building. While on behalf of your captain, first officer, and the special crew today, we would like to thank you for flying with Ryanair and we wish you a safe forward journey. Cruisers to Menorca, check.